Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to explain and give you an idea how to install the MU editor. So the MU editor is one of the main applications that can be installed to run the Circuitpython, and I'm going to share with you the idea on doing that. So the first one, you have to do this sudo apt-get update. So I already finished this code actually. So the next step is basically you write the next command line and it's finished and identify as follows. So you can proceed with the second one, which is the sudo apt get dist upgrade. So this is going to install also the required dependencies. Okay, after you are done doing the sudo apt-get and also sudo apt-get this upgrade, then you can install the MU editor. So if you want to install the MU editor, there are two approaches. The first one, you can go to preference and then you can go for recommended software. From here, I'm running the Raspberry Pi 0W. This is a version 1. So you can install it using this method by looking into the what we call it as recommended software, and you can also install it using what we call it as the command line. So I'm going to do that for both of these methods. So let me begin with the installation from the preference. So just before until the finding packages are already being called upon inside the recommended software. So this is the first approach. This may take a little time. And of course, it's the easiest method to do, but of course, it's requires some computational element for this thing to be considered. So you have here is all program. Then you can go for the all program by looking for the programming. So you can see over here, we got the MU editor. MU is a Python IDE for beginners. So you can tick this one. And then what you can do is basically apply. So the packages are going to be installed inside your Raspberry Pi 0W. So that is one of the way to program using the MU editor from the Raspberry Pi preference menu. So another that is basically you can go for your terminal and you can write following code. So basically you are going to type this code that are going to be doing the same thing, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to share with you the idea. So sudo apt-get install mu-editor. So this is the second approach if you are trying to install it from your Raspberry Pi 0W terminal. Okay, so this is the idea. So I'm not going to run it to avoid any conflict. So let us just focus on the recommended software way of installing it. So this one is using the Pi 0 version. So this is all the libraries and this is the Okay, so now the MU editor is complete. It's required at least 10 minutes of installation time. So after that, it's going to be reboot again on your recommended software, finding the another packages that you are intended to install in the future. So now the MU editor is already there and we can check under the programming. So it should be available over here. So let me just open the MU editor so that you can have a look on the interface. So the reasons of using this MU editor is basically to use the Circuitpython or Python related editor. So despite of using the Python IDE, you can also use the MU editor to debug and also set up your function and also instruction. Okay, so we have here numbers of different board that can be attached soon. So I may plan to use the MU editor for my BBC microbit and also using the Python 3 or any suitable board from the Adafruit. Okay, so this is all about the installations of MU editor, a Python code editor that can be used to program your physical computing device using Raspberry Pi. This is a Raspberry Pi 0W. See you again next time, and bye bye.